Every time I press record on my, I use a webcam. I mean, I know you guys can do videos on cell phones or, I don't know, do they still have those VCR? Remember the what are they called? The camcorders? If you got a camcorder, do it, man. Just make video, have some fun. Um, I'm on a webcam. Oh, C920 Logitech. I just had a buddy ask me about it. There were when I bought the this webcam, it was 75 bucks at a place called Best Buy. And they're kind of popular in America. They're one of the last of the electronic stores, where you can go in and buy stuff. So Logitech C920, and they're probably cheaper now because they've been out a couple years. But you know what? If you got like 50 to 75 bucks, and if you like the quality, because right now I got the quality turned down. The quality on this webcam, it gets so good that all the cracks in my face, if I have a hair at my nose, I mean, it's like I almost look 3D, and it drives me crazy because I have all these screens in front of me. I got 4 screens in front of me, and I've got this stupid light, and that's why I don't look at my webcam because it drives me crazy. I can't see. I don't know. People do it. They'll sit and look in the webcam and see if I had natural light. When I'm outside, I can do it. But I'm inside a building, and you can see like right over, see the reflection. I'm like in a dental office, for example. It's just all that light. And when I turn off the light, it's kind of like blue. So I just turn the stupid light on so I can see. So it's that little ring light, it's 25 bucks at Walmart. They're probably cheaper on Amazon. If you want to get this camcorder or this webcam, sorry guys, it's probably 70 maybe. So I just figure for $100, if you want to do any type of video where you're not relying on your cell phone, because sometimes what I do is I put it on vibrate mode and I just leave it down. And if there's anything like dramatically important, I can kind of glimpse and I can see. But if you're going to do a video for 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 10 minutes, nothing's ever that critical. So I prefer a webcam. It's just there. I dust it off now and then. I have one of these brushes that girls do their makeup with. This is how I dust off all my Legos. But I also am dusting my webcam because you get a little bit of dust, Ugh, I hate dust. So this is how I make videos. Just picture like a kitchen table, okay, a big rectangle one. And I'm not sitting at the end. The rectangle is wide. Okay, so man, I've got 4 computer screens, got the webcam webcam, and that it has like 3 little legs, and then the big ring light, and then in the middle it's got an arm that'll hold either the webcam or a cell phone. You guys have probably seen them. They've been around forever now. So gosh, for about $100, and you have to have a home computer, of course. But if you have a laptop or a home computer, what else is kind of nice is if you have an extra couple $100, buy like 32-inch screens. They're only like 120 bucks. Don't even buy the best quality. Just buy really the cheap. If you're at a Best Buy, just buy them. And what you can do is plug them in with USBs. And oh my God, guys, if you can do LiveGood with 3 screens in front of you, one can be like live on Facebook or let's say on YouTube. Another one can be like, let's say the camera, so you can look back and forth and you can point on your screen. For example, I just hit this little button here and then I can go, hey guys, this is pre-enroll. You can see I get 57579. Looks like I got 8 people signed up here. And hopefully by tonight, maybe I'll get someone to sign up. It's just nice if you can just not have to squint and you have this big screen in front of you and you can just kind of move your little face all around and do things. And it's kind of fun to teach and talk at the same time. Okay. But it'll cost you a couple $100 here and there. The webcam is definitely important. You want to get yourself a webcam if you have the extra money. And I think working this business at home and you don't have to squint. And boy, if you have a couple screens open, it is so nice if you're doing a tutorial or you're watching one and you can just watch a YouTube video and then on the other screen, you can just stop. Learn from the YouTube video, stop, do what the YouTube video says, continue. And boy, you can really, really, I think, learn and earn and just feel good. Your eyes aren't squinted. and you just can breathe a little bit. You can take notes. I have notes all over. I don't have a ton, but I mean, I have a handful of notes. I just put them down and I just look down. You know, when I'm talking, I don't look in the webcam. I hate it. Even when I'm on my radio shows, I don't want to look in the camera. If I have to, if I'm in TV, I've got to. You know, there's a time and a place. But it's nice just to look down. And you know what? If you're doing a video and you want to take a drink, then take a drink. Organic coffee from LIVEGOOD. I got to admit, it tastes good plain, but you know what? I put that cream in it. I put caramel macchiato. I put caramel vanilla. I put hazelnut. Oh, I'm a coffee maniac, that's for sure. I even like cold coffee, you know, the iced coffee. That's delicious, I'll tell you. But when it comes down to video, just turn the dang thing on. And if you want to talk to it like I am, have some notes and just say, guys, my name is blank and blank. I am not very good at video. I'm probably going to make some pretty bad ones, but I'm going to give it hell. And thank you for watching my video. And if you're interested in making some money online or at home or on your cell phone, just look into this business opportunity. Please go to joincory.com. And thanks for your time, guys. And get a hold of me if I can answer any questions for you. If you just do that and then do it again and maybe talk about the products, hey guys, we have an opportunity and I hope that you don't miss it because I almost did. For $10 a month, you can go to a website and whatever's inside that website, you can buy wholesale. Please check it out. Go to joincory.com and nothing to buy. Go just watch a tour, watch a video, and go to livegood.com. And if you don't mind, go to the products page, check out wholesale retail prices. It's only $10 a month. Okay. Please go to the FAQ section. There's a lot of questions that are answered. And then please go to the very bottom and you're going to see a link that says affiliate pay plan. Okay. Just go to the pay plan link, and I recommend going to the bottom of that page and watching a video, and it explains our 7 ways, 4 and 3. It explains our 7 ways that we get commissions. And if this is something that you're interested in, my email is Cory@CoryDraper.com, or any information that you'd like to say, you can either do it on the video by your own mouthy or do it below the video. Okay? Which is always good because most people are going to look below the video. If I say joincory.com, maybe people will remember, but they might spell my name Corey instead of Cory. So you always want to put your links on your Facebook post, or any time you do anything, you want to put the link of where you want them to go. Okay. So if you want to try video, and if you can get over that curve of embarrassment, not liking your face, not liking your voice, not liking your hair, I get it. We would all like to probably blink our eyes like a magic genie and have the body and the face and the income and the eye color and the who knows what. We'd all probably have a wish list of changes. But after a while, you get comfortable in your own skin. And you realize most people, they're not going to care what you look like. They just want to know, hey, you're a real person and you seem honest. You seem like you really dig this LIVEGOOD thing. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click that link and see if it's for me too. Okay. And I have no doubt that you'll get to that comfort zone the more video you do. And if you don't want to do video, don't worry about it. You don't need to do any video to be successful. You can just get business cards made on a street level. If it ever comes up, just hand them a business card. Let all our videos do all the recruiting. We're a membership website for $10. That's it. How much is it? $10. You want to be an affiliate and earn money? It's $40, one-time fee. $10 a month, $40, boom. Here's my card. That's all I say at a personal level. All right. And when it comes to being online like this, video, you got a lot of control. The way you look, the way you sound, the passion. Are you tired? Are you cranky because your team lost? I should be cranky. My team always keeps losing. Or you can drink. I always have a little crutch. I like to have me a little sippy cup with me every time I do videos. It's just kind of fun to have a little drinky. But you pick whatever you're comfortable in. Okay. Let's wrap it up. I always like my videos to be about 10 minutes long. They're not too long, not too short. If you would like to look at the 2 websites that I lead people to, They're just joincory.com, workwithcory.com, and that's it. My work is done. If you need any information from me, it's right below the video. More than happy to give you advice or gossip or what I've learned over the last 10 months, but I've been doing pretty darn good. Okay? And anything I can help you with, I'm glad to. All right? There's plenty of opportunity, plenty of money to go around, and there's no major secret to making this thing work. You just need eyeballs to check out the opportunity, and that's all you do. All right? The more simple and fun you make it, you're going to be definitely more successful, in my opinion. So, okay, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And on my Facebook page, just go ahead and bookmark there and get a hold of me anytime. All right, peace and love. I'm outie. I'll see you guys next video. Thank you.